Okay, so welcome back to the inside of my Renault 16. Thought I'd give you a quick update on where my thoughts are at the moment with this car. And I've had a bit of a holiday, had a bit of time off, and obviously nothing's happened with the car. And I've made up my mind that I'm going to get rid of it. I've just realised that it's too much of a project for me. I don't have the skills, I don't have the time, and probably not the money that it would take to get this right, so to sort of get it back on the road. Yeah, that's where I'm at with this one for now. I pop a link in the description to the sort of the Facebook marketplace listing, on the off chance that any of you watching this is interested and is located in Sweden and is willing to come pick it up. I will let it go for cheap, and there will be quite a few parts included in the sale, including a brand new battery. So yeah, so that's the situation right now. If you want to learn more about this car, I recommend you going back and watching the previous videos I've done on it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for now. I might do a quick update when I have more info on what's happening with the sale and whatever. So okay, that's it for now. Cheers.